Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah and welcome back to Sarah TV. You know guys, I don't know if I'm alone with it, but there's always a struggle with bangs. Because every time I cut myself some bangs, 1 week later I actually kind of regret it because I just don't have this freedom anymore to style some different hairstyles. This is what I struggle with. Because of that struggle, I was like, what about fake bangs? It just seems like such a good idea because they always styled. You just put them on like this, boop, and then you're done. No struggle, no problems, no nervous breakdowns anymore. So that's why I asked E-litchi, come on, what about sending me some bangs? And they were like, okay Sarah, great idea. You're going to send you 3 different types of bangs. And yeah, let's have a look. So as you can see, there are 3 similar packages and 1 different. Let's start with these. So first look at this package. It's actually so cute. These are their bangs packaging. So here you have these bangs. Oh, and some rollers. So get out the bang. So in this one is it's actually just like this. It's just a piece of hair on 2 tiny clippers. Actually super easy. Let's try it on. So, and you can put them open like this and then okay. Oh, looks actually very cute already. This is cute, man. This is so cute. I mean, look, I'm done with this hairstyle already. This is so cute. Oh my god, I look so cute. And they are not even styled yet. Nothing. I just put them out of the package and this is how they look like. I haven't even cut them. Now I'm a different type of person. Hello? Who is she? Who is she? Most uncomplicated way to change your style. I love this. I love to play with wigs and fake hair. But this is not fake hair. This is real hair. If you use my code, you of course get a discount, which I highly suggest you to get. Okay, you gotta listen to me, students, okay? I can only highly suggest you to get some fake bangs. So let's try on the upper one. I think this is the thinnest style. Yeah, so you see, this is what inside of the package. It's one of these super thin ones. I wasn't able to do or to cut myself super thin bangs like these because of my hair wall here in the front, as you can see, and I can do actually whatever I want. My hair is just way too strong and way too stubborn to put them back down. So I'm so lucky to have this one here. And let me put this on. Okay, I think I need to cut this one. My hairline is way too thick. And I think I would put this one, for the showcase I will put this on top here and try to style it a little bit down. No, I think I have to cut them. I have to cut them because this looks... So I think I have to put this one more down here, close to my natural hairline, and then I will cut them. I mean, you should get the idea what this bangs is about. It's this super light style of bangs. But I think you get the idea, right? And I also love the fact that they have these long strands here on the side. So I have to style this one definitely, like curl this one a little bit, cut the ends a little bit. But yeah, this is... And I might have to dye these, because these are a little bit more red toned and my hair is more like green toned. Okay, next one. The last bangs are the thickest. Ooh, they are very... Ooh. This one has a little bit more clippers. I'm going to show you this. This is how it looks inside. Okay, I have to cut them definitely because they're way too big. Oh, but these cute clippers are very cool. Ooh, oh, ooh, this one is great. Oh, this is so cute. Oh God. Sarah, why are you so beautiful? Oh guys, I love the bangs. I love these fake bangs. I love them. I mean, I have to cut them. Fitting to my face, of course, but I just put them out of the box, and this is how they look like only by putting them on fresh out of the box. Elitchi, Elitchi guys, Elitchi. Your delivery gave me an inspirational push. I got so many ideas already. I look so cute. I look like I'm a good girl. And I wanted to create a kind of cute look with one of my new items I got from E-litchi. So that's why I got myself a new head. So, and I decided to go for this super thick bangs, and I want to cut them and make them fitting to my face. I'm just taking measurements. And it's about like this, which I have to cut first, like this. Some people would cut those bangs right on top of their head, but I can't do this. I think it's the easier way to do it like that. So if you have a second head, but actually I think if you into wigs and fake hair and stuff like that, you should own a second head. So then I think I'm going to flatten them. Oh no, I think I'm going to make them wet and then I'm going to cut them. Ta-da! And this is how I cut them. So let me put them on. This is the base hairstyle for my look today. It's just a simple high ponytail. Let's put this on. Yeah! I'm a different person now. I'm a different person. Oh my god. Okay, Sarah. Let's make this bun. And here we are. It's just a small amount of effort with a huge difference. It's just a huge difference. It's the most practical style piece I've ever owned. I swear to God. I swear, this is the best one. So you guys should get yourself some fake bangs if you want to play with your hairstyle. Who's this cute lady? Okay guys. Yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching. I think I'm done for my day now. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed my little delivery review by E-litchi. This wasn't the last video I'm going to do about these wigs and this brand. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you in my next video. Who's this lady? Who's this? She's this good student called Laura. No, not with her. Anyways, yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye bye.